Okay, so I'll be making pesto pasta. This is quite easy, few ingredients only. So first things first, I'll be using fettuccine. It's up to you if you want to use other pasta. You can use penne, spaghetti, whatever. Any pasta will do. Pine nuts, parsley. You don't need to chop them, just remove them from the stalks. Garlic, this is around 2 cloves only. Basil leaves. Olive oil. Parmesan cheese, but since I still don't have any Parmesan cheese, I'm gonna use grana padano. So while you're doing all of this, removing your basil from the stalks and the parsley from the stalks, start boiling water so that by the time you finish doing all of this, hopefully the water is already boiling. Always add salt in your boiling water and then add oil when you're going to drop the pasta. Okay, so like always when it comes to pasta, always follow the instruction when you're cooking instant pastas. If it says you need to cook it around 8 to 9 minutes, cook it around 8 to 9 minutes so that you will get the al dente. Read the instructions because it says there the ideal cooking time for your pasta. Also, make sure that when you cook your pasta, start at the boiling water. Okay, so now this is your pesto sauce. It is green. I had to adjust the lighting, the brightness, because it's too dark. So, texture for me, nothing too runny and a little bit, how do you say this, thick. So make sure you blend it well. Like this one, you don't want any lumps on your pasta. If you don't want any lumps, if it's okay for you, hey, that's good. Okay, so now we have boiling water. There's already salt in this one. Just gonna add a few tablespoons of oil and then I'll drop my pasta. So I'll cook this one for 8 minutes. Okay, so let's assemble your pesto. Take a bowl, put your pasta. Then get your pesto sauce. Mix well. That will do. If you want, you can add more pesto. I'm gonna add more. So all that's left to do is to just plate this. Okay, so plating. Okay, so I've seen some recipes where they use pistachio. You can also use them. Also with the pine nuts, you have an option of roasting them a little bit so that the flavor would intensify a little. When it comes to the garlic, make sure that you don't put too much because the flavor of the garlic is too strong and it might overpower the flavor of your pesto. you might end up not having to taste anything else other than the garlic. So I hope you enjoy watching this quick video, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.